Hold on, let me get in position here. No, it'll be alright. I'll catch it.
2, 3.
Oh! It's all good. Thanks, bro.
See you, buddy.
Is expired shit that came out of the fridge.
Guilt and laziness.
What he said.
So if we pass out, it's because a combination of all the fumes killing us.
Now we have the very unpleasant task of actually opening all these jars, disposing of their contents, cleaning all the jars. On the bright side, however, look how clean the fridge looks now. All right, here we go.
I'm handling a biohazard right now or something. Need a hazmat suit.
That was an ordeal. You know those days where you feel like you're doing a whole bunch and then you kind of look back on it all and you're just like, I didn't really accomplish that much today. Yeah. Anyway, my friend Desmond is moving, so I'm going to help him move a couple of the larger items. Fun fact. This was actually one of the first apartment buildings I lived in when I moved to Cincinnati. Desmond, hey, what's up, man? I don't always sleep in my van, but when I do, it always feels like home to me. And I know some people find it weird or strange or whatever, but I don't care. This is my home.